Hello friends, this is Sandeep, research scholar from University of Jammu. So today we will learn about bibliometric analysis. So bibliometric analysis is a research methodology that applies statistical and quantitative technique to analyze published academic literature. It helps scholars and institutions understand the structure, development and influence of research in a given domain. So these are the main component of bibliometric analysis, which are divided in points. So first one is data collection. So in bibliometric analysis, first you have to collect the data from different sources and the database, like you have Scopus, you have Web of Science, you have Dimension AI and Google Scholar, etc. Then search strategy. So on the basis of your research, you have to give specific keywords which is related to your area of interest. You can give time frame, a particular time frame from 2010 to 2015 for 5 years. Then you have subject area. You want to search in specific subjects, for example, management, social science, or economics. Then you have document type, is whether it is a article, whether it is a review paper and conference paper. Then you have to clean the data. You have to remove the duplicate files and irrelevant some error record from your file if there is any variation in the name, in the designation, or any other format. The second is you have descriptive analysis. So bibliometric analysis provide you an overview of the publication landscape. For example, you will get the information about the total publication and the citations, annual publication trends of a particular domain or topic, top author of a particular domain, the institution and the countries. Then you have most cited paper and the journals of a particular domain or area. Then you have collaboration partner, the authors, the institution, and the country level who have collaboratory work on a particular field of study. Next, you have performance analysis. In performance analysis, assess productivity and the impact of various entity. For example, particular authors, the number of paper the author publish, their H index, and the citation per paper. Then you have journals, the impact factor of journals, the most influential journal of a particular area. Then you have institution and countries, contribution to the field and their citation impact globally. Next, you have scientific mapping and network analysis. It shows the structure and relationship within the research field using a visualization tool. For example, you have co-authorship analysis, that is collaboration among authors, the institution, or the country on a particular domain or topic. Co-citation analysis, how often two documents are cited together. Then you have bibliographic coupling, link paper that cite the same references. Then you have co-word analysis, identify research themes and trend from keywords. Co-occurrence analysis, detect emerging topic or cluster. Next, you have visualization tools. So in bibliometric analysis, there are many different type of tools and software you can use for the visualization purpose. For example, you have Wasware. It is also a software, free software for co-authorship, co-citation, and keyword map. Then you have Bibliometric and Biblioshiny. It's a R language package widely used in the research field. Then you have SiteSpace is also one of the software. Then you have Giphy, a software, and Hist site is also, but very less used in bibliometric analysis. Next, you have thematic or trend analysis. It examines how research topic evolve over a period of time. It identifies the emerging, declining, and the stable themes using keyword evaluation and cluster analysis, and offer visualize through thematic map or trend line. Next, you have the interpretation and discussion. It relates quantitative finding to the theoretical or practical evolution of the field, highlights the gap, future research direction, and influential work in a particular field. Then you have reporting and visualization. Present results through the table. You will get table of the top author, journal, and etc. You can get figures, the trends analysis, citation network, and keyword maps, and then narrative discussion, linking metric to insight. So these are the few common metrics used in bibliometric analysis. So these are the metrics. For example, the H index is used. So it is basically measure the productivity and citation impact. You have impact factor, uh, average citation per article in a journal. You have total citation, sum of all the citation received. Then you have publication count, number of paper published in a particular year on a particular topic or field. Then you have collaboration index, the degree of co-authorship and across publication. So this is just a introduction to the bibliometric analysis, and in the later part we will do some practical session about bibliometric analysis. You can check out my previous video related to R and R packages and some statistical packages in the R. That's all for today. Thank you.